Look around you, or better yet, look in the mirror. Do you notice how everyone seems perpetually exhausted, like the modern world runs on a battery stuck at 10%? We wake up tired, push through the day on caffeine, and collapse at night, only to repeat the cycle. If this is you, you're not alone. Chronic fatigue has gone from common to feeling like a quiet epidemic. Here's the paradox. Life is physically easier than ever, yet we feel heavier than ever. That's because the weight changed from tired muscles to a tired mind. The industrial age rewired work, and the information age rewired attention, so fatigue now lives as mental fog that sleep doesn't always fix. And the problem isn't only overwork, it's that we forgot how to rest. When the weekend comes, we choose stimulation, series, games, scrolling, arguments, and call it relaxing. But biologically, that isn't rest. It's the same mental engine, just a different road, fueled by dopamine instead of deadlines. Real rest needs low input, silence, stillness, space, so the brain can finally switch off. Then we sabotage the foundation, sleep, by staring at blue light that tells the brain it's still daytime. So deep sleep gets delayed or broken, and you feel jet-lagged in your own bedroom. Movement is the next missing piece. Many people feel tired because they barely move. Sitting all day drops circulation, shallows breathing, and puts the body in power-saving mode. If you work with your head, rest with your hands and feet, walk, train, run, play a sport to flush stress hormones and reset your system. And because we're always connected and comparing, the nervous system stays in low-level fight or flight, never reaching true recovery. Unstructured solitude, especially in nature, lets the brain process emotions, restore creativity, and calm stress in a way scrolling never will. So reclaiming energy isn't about quitting life, it's about redefining rest. Rest is sleep without a phone, intense movement, quiet, and doing nothing, even if it feels boring at first.